this message goes out to those it must go to. If you are, my problem is that if you go and thank A, you must appreciate B also, especially the one that stood. You don't know the spiritual. As I'm speaking to them, this is my prayer room. You don't know the prophetic direction I still have here now. So if some people are going to be overlooked, and then the most painful thing is that they will sideline their effort and then discredit them. Hey, listen, I'm telling you, spiritually, things may go wrong. Forget about whatever is happening. In the realm of the spirit, prophetic, the honor is important. If you don't give honor to whom honor is due, I'm telling you, I've never done this before, but you see, nobody should come out and say anything. If you come and say something that is not in line with what I'm saying, me and you, we will have issues.
Abusia mpanyinfoɔ sɛ asɛm kɛseɛ bi ba na Francis so ne him say papa no ho sɛ asɛm kɛseɛ ɛna ɛba no ne nyinaa ne sɛ ɛntɔkwade din bi a ɛsɔre wɔ Ghana asɔfoɔ mu no sɛ yanka ntimi a yɛntimi ɛnso ano abusua ɛyɛ dɛn na de ɛntɔkwa yi ba ne nyinaa yɛ nkɔmhyɛ a ɛkɔɔ so abra Ghana yɛba bɛto yɛaba yi hu sɛ ne asɔfoɔ yi ɛba abɔnten ɛbɛhyɛ nkɔm ɛne wɔn ɛhyɛ de kɔ ma NPP na afei wɔn nso a ɛhyɛ de kɔ ma NDC afei wi akyire kwa na akɔkɔyɛ counter prophet any Risha, no we are shabby counter train as of one pim Mogutia, and your Betty Risha know the boys from the men. That is only a bet say a soft one, and quite a better than a near whom and branty a womb, any and penny for a womb. Nipa Bakwan or Kujina ya pa at the man NDC, a prophet Clement's testimony, and so for your sophobia and your ufatic baby, now what you have. Interviews I hold right now walk war done in Yami a car channel at the affair man penny John Dramani Mahama a quancha hold now would do from any empire hold our boy and son of man penny ever bedi akuyan no what some say your man penny bedi akuyan ye and I won't send you near software and a chassis into Sadia or near software now so never call a share boom and don't see who Thanksgiving at a course so say a software who could be when you are more cabo to say a soft penny Nicholas than Williams more Ajana Sari more prophet wusu bempa asofo mpenefo bebre ya woni omkoka bom ekoye Thanksgiving ye wiachi ye hu se wakokuma asenso akwakochia the nations prophet aye opambo e ma anya bibia koso fefefe kama ewo kumase na eno na prophet Clement testimony e ka se what ye no an sen na amen enti ma mpeni John Dramani Mahama enkom shahodo o she ne we hu no enti akwancha hodo odigu from no se wanten so enti endisifo no munsu mo ehu anse mbeka te papa ne se papa se wo po bia da na se dia ene Clement testimony bi she ba bia ono so bo adwuma sonso nkopa ma mo a e wo se ye kwanya kwada na se na emom wo mo a mudi o machi a mo kɔ mo ho ne mo kɔkɔye na asesom ene ade no wo mo no Clement se wo mo ba da ben wo so mo na no ya no mbom no beje fans na ezan so ma gye denti so mo no mu ni mo de a Clement testimony say ye mampeni John Dramani Mahama on chain no be hu
why na Ghana say and Africa say aside from the senior prophet Hubert Angel, who even at times sometimes you know he tries to stir the atmosphere and make us a bit wondering where it is going. I mean, that's his style. But who was playing like that? Prophet Clement testimony saw by the mercy of God. God showed him he was playing. He came out to say it. That is his gift. In Ghana, before Opambo came to give his word that they will give it to John Mahama, I had come to make the makeup video, and I mentioned I gave clues the first time. The video was there over 2 months or 3 months before Prophet Opambo came. I came back to back. When Ghana has seen Oba openly back to back. Which prophet in Ghana gave more prophecies about John Mahama and the next leader, what God wants to do, and the things that God has in Ghana than myself? Name them. Wanna name? No. Let's be very frank. You see, I had about two or three brothers who are very close now. They were angry. They said, when the whole thing happened, we are seeing some people post some other pictures and they are hailing this one. But these people, they kept quiet. It was just last minute. Some of them came to speak because they said they were misinterpreting them, so they came out to speak. We stood by God's word, by the mercy of God, boldly. All the things if I tell you the things I went through, the disguise we have to make, the security beef up, the people who are tracking us, the things, the spiritual attacks, my family, wife, kid, myself, the church. The people who had to go because they were MPP people. I came to speak. Some of them who came to say about 3 or 4 back to back. It was later. After I have given over 5 or 6 videos updated, and I became a nuisance to all. People were not happy. And now that all is said and done, you will see this one will go to this church, go and thank this one, and go and thank this one, and then the man himself go and thank this one. And then everything looks like as though the people who just came last, because they have the media hype, they have this one, they have this one. But you see, let's not forget, God can take the foolishness of this world, the things that people don't respect. He can take it to make a statement with. We don't need all hypes and all that. We will stay at our one place. But this message goes out to those it must go to. If you are, my problem is that if you go and thank A, you must appreciate B also, especially the one that stood. You don't know the spiritual. As I'm speaking to now, this is my prayer room. You don't know the prophetic direction I still have here now. So if some people are going to be overlooked, and then the most painful thing is that they will sideline their effort and then discredit them. Hey, listen, I'm telling you, spiritually, things may go wrong. Forget about whatever is happening. In the realm of the spirit, prophetic, the honor is important. If you don't give honor to whom honor is due, I'm telling you, I've never done this before. But you see, nobody should come out and say anything. If you come and say something that is not in line with what I'm saying, me and you, we will have issues. And I know this one will just stay, but that is the truth. Yeah, let's speak the truth in this nation for once. For just once. I'm excited that everyone is being acknowledged, but let's not discredit the effort of the ones who even started first and the ones who were even taking the risks as people who didn't have anyone. I'm telling you. Look at how I said Trump will blow the trumpet. Nathaniel Bassey has been invited to blow the trumpet over US. The words I spoke about, I watched the trumpet video. It was the same thing Nathaniel was doing there, blowing, and he was commanding revival over US. Why not other cancer? People are a bunch of hypocrites in this nation, trying to undermine people's ministry and their work and their effort and all those things. Bunch of hypocrites in this nation. And you see, whatever the Lord have said, we have kept quiet for a very long time. They want to just say, because they know you don't want to, be part of their team, and then you don't want to be part of their group. They would want to rubbish you, but you can't fight one that carries a prophecy. You can't fight it. You can't fight. And after this video, I don't care who likes me or not, because all of you are part of it. You saw it, and then you have neglected the whole thing. You are trying to make the whole thing like when they are not part of it. And I'm telling this new government, if they are doing it for whoever, they are going to thank people. They better know who have been sent. Tell them that I'm not happy. Yes. Because some of them that they even went to thank, at the point they were trying to turn the thing for the other people. Let's not, don't just think we honor fathers, we respect fathers, but let's not think as though it is only some people and everybody saw what we did. And you want to I don't really want to, but I had a vision, and in the vision I was in the center of a conference speaking, and I saw that they were trying to cut my hands off in the spirit. And God said that there is a sabotaging against your effort. Your hardware, hands means hardware, your effort. And you see, people who didn't speak after when the whole thing came, now they are now going on their presidential dinner. They are going on their. I came to say, so even anybody who comes to us, they didn't speak during the other government time. They should speak now. Now one man will do those. They will sell the cream and those things at the church, come and speak as though say they have been there. Be very careful. Be very careful. I've never done this before, but listen, be very careful. I'm sending this one out, and then. That's that discrediting of effort and those things, like they are trying to sideline the impact and the things God is doing with you by the mercy of God. That thing must stop. That thing must stop in this nation. I will just leave you with this, a word to the wise. That tribalistic, hypocritical behavior, trying to look down on people. That thing must stop, because God can put treasures in 18 vessels. Yes. I don't want anything from anyone, but let's not look down on people and undermine them and feel said they are those who worked. We are in this nation that people don't even acknowledge. Foreigners are acknowledging us, foreigners. Meanwhile, we are here with you. We are here with you, and the people pay you for leaders one. Nobody is acknowledging. Yes, because Ghana spirit. I am one person who likes to hype others a lot. Those who are very close to me, I'll hype you about. When I saw that, the attitude and the hypocrisy, I just came back. I won't do it again. I'll stay at my lane. But listen, as we are hustling and we are working, we are going through with this thing. Nobody should discredit us, because it won't be nice. I'm not happy. I'm not happy at all. The word were wise. I'm done.
Entabusia and some no enamede ababa sumuya ne Clement and some prophet Clement's testimony nensemi and ayakwa kote ne hu agufu a ewo ni mu na Ghana fo ebisa say enkomhye na asofo no wo share no omo share de ma wo mo hu omo share se ne be yom bedidi omo share se ne be yom benefit bibi ana omo share de ma oman no ebi so kra e chese sofo ni bufu a ne budi fufi say no kofio kakra bi ade be chese sofo nsem amana kana no atu no ndc fo nka hia we bibi kitu abi na ka mo dia close na ka be nu nyina ankwa akoba ne nyina mu no wo di buafu oba be ka ne nsem ye de aba be somo ma yehu se na osidi nsem isifa e wo comment wona afei kai so be mi subscribe button no so e de ama me eye too much gh ya kai na fa bell no e ka ho sa no upload bi atomo a onsa e betimi aka all the social media handles so okwa eye too much gh ya kai se ohon so be like no wa share ama wunua bi so enye bi ahwe akra